Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode, which is LeetCode 191, number of 1 bits. So here is given a positive integer n. You have to write the function to count the number of 1 bit, which is also known as Hamming bit. If you click on the Hamming weight, then you will get the definition. So you can write the 11 in a form of 1 0 1 1. This is the binary form. You have to return the number of ones in the 11 in a binary form. So the number of 1 is 3, so you have to return the 3. In the same way, 128, the number of 1 in this is only 1, so you have to return 1. In the same way, for this example, the number of 1 is 30, so you have to return the 30. So let's do this. First I will declare int count equals to 0, which will store the number of ones in it, while n is not equals to 0, and this will AND operator n minus 1, and then you just have to do count plus this, and after this you just have to return the count. Okay, so let's run this code. Now this code works fine. Let's submit this. This code has been accepted. Thanks for watching.